Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM arrives in Jeddah, hold talks with Saudi Crown Prince. Prime Minister Imran Khan arrived in Saudi Arabia on Friday on a 3-day official visit. Prime Minister Khan was warmly received by Saudi Crown Prince and Defense Minister Mohammed bin Salman upon arrival at Jeddah Airport. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Saturday arrived in Medina Munawwara to pay his respects at Roza Rasul, peace be upon him. The Prime Minister was received by Governor of Medina Munawwara Prince Faisal bin Salman. President Alvi promulgates Parents Protection Ordinance 2021. Jet departing New Delhi makes emergency landing at Islamabad Airport. A Canadian Air Force jet has on Saturday made an emergency landing at the Islamabad International Airport for refueling after it departed earlier today from New Delhi. 25 killed, 52 wounded in blast near Afghan school. A blast outside a school in the Afghan capital on Saturday killed at least 25 people and wounded another 52, including students, the Interior Ministry said. Ban on public transport. PR announces to run 66 more special trains on Eid al-Fitr. Shehbaz Sharif offloaded from Qatar-bound flight. PMLN President Shehbaz Sharif was offloaded from a Qatar-bound flight at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, early Saturday morning. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.